Meet the knobtail gecko. It currently looks like it's doing push-ups, but in fact, it's sizing up a threat. When startled, they will stand tall, arch their back, and even let out a little bark. And that's where they get their other name, the barking gecko. If the bark or little push-up display doesn't work, they will wave their unusual tail side to side in the air in an almost hypnotizing motion. Scientists believe this mimics the movement of a snake or acts as a clever distraction, giving the gecko a chance to flee. But that large tail is more than just a decoy. It's a genuine fat storage unit, like a little energy backpack, storing up fat for when food like insects are hard to find during those long desert droughts. Their colours, like their tail, are remarkable. And it's almost as if these geckos have been hand-painted, with these raised white dots, lines and earthy markings scattered across their back. And this particular gecko's colour and patterning reminds me of a miniature galaxy. I can't help but wonder, with the environment playing such an important role within Aboriginal culture, whether the beautiful patterns on these geckos may have inspired some of the motifs we see in Aboriginal artwork. For this nocturnal gecko, darkness is definitely no barrier. Their large eyes are around 350 times more light sensitive than ours. Their vision is so good, they can see full colour under starlight. So how is this possible? Most vertebrates, including humans, have two types of specialised cells in their eyes that help them process light and colour. These are known as rods and cones. Rods are highly sensitive to light, and they help animals see in the dark, while cones detect colour, but they need a brighter light to be activated. Nocturnal geckos are a little different. They have no rods at all. Instead, their cone cells, normally responsible for detecting colour, have evolved to be ultra-sensitive to light, allowing them to see in full colour, even in the dark. Their great night vision is also possible due to their super flexible pupils. At night, a gecko's pupil can expand or dilate more than 100 times from its smallest size, allowing geckos to soak up every bit of available starlight. Human pupils, by comparison, can only expand to about 16 times from their smallest size, which is why without my torch I'd have no chance of spotting, let alone photographing this little gecko tonight. Scientists are now studying the eyes of nocturnal gecko species, hoping to one day improve night vision cameras and even contact lenses. But we're not there yet. For now, the gecko still rules the night.